Hello everyone, welcome back to Asedoskitchen. Today I'm making a simple step-by-step guide to unlock the authentic and aromatic flavors of Kenyan beef pilau. The ingredients and quantities for this recipe can be found in the description box below, so be sure to check them out. I heat some oil and fry the onions. When they turn golden brown, I add the meat followed by the tomatoes. You can also add grated ginger at this point if you have some. I pre-boiled the meat beforehand because it takes long to cook. I fry these for a minute, then I add pilau masala. I continue frying this for a minute or two, or until the aroma of the pilau masala fills the kitchen. At this point, I add the rice. Ensure that you wash the rice until the water runs clear, indicating that the starch has been removed from the rice. This will prevent the rice from sticking together. I toast the rice for 2 to 3 minutes. I now add the broth. The rice to water ratio is 1 to 1.5. Since I'm cooking 4 cups of rice, I need 6 cups of liquid. The broth is 2 cups, so I will add 4 cups of water to this. I taste and adjust the salt, stir to combine and cook this covered on high heat. I don't add too much salt as I pre-boiled the meat with some vegeta which also contains salt. Once this comes to a boil, I turn the heat down to the lowest heat setting and let it cook until all the liquid is absorbed. The sweet aroma of pilau masala has filled the kitchen and it smells amazing. I check if the water is fully absorbed into the rice. I do this by sticking a fork into the center of the rice, and if it comes out dry, I turn the heat off. I gently fluff the rice and taste it. I find that some grains of rice are a little bit undercooked. To fix this, I cover the pot with foil to trap the steam, which will soften the undercooked grains of rice. Please avoid adding water at this point because you risk overcooking the rice and being left with mushy pilau. After 10 to 15 minutes, our pilau is ready to serve. You can serve this by itself or with some avocado or kachumbari to the side. If you loved this video, give it a thumbs up, engage in the comments section and share. To follow more of my simple recipes, remember to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and bye for now.